Got one of these machines, jamming in Cherry 1. It's roller time, baby. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Stay tuned. Okay, so what you want to do is open up the first paper tray here. Go ahead and set it aside. Okay, you're going to look in there, and there's a gray tab on the left-hand side that you want to press in. And then the rollers will slide down like that. Then you just, on the left-hand side, you just go ahead and slide it out. Just like that, and there's the rollers. Okay, now that we have our rollers out, we're going to go ahead and change them. Let's start with the top one here. Just go ahead and just flex the left side a little bit. And then we'll pop out just like that. Just go ahead and slide it out there. I like to just clean this a little bit. Okay. We're going to put our new roller on, like so. Slide it in, flex the plate again, and just make sure this is in place. You can even clean that. Recommend cleaning that just like that, then it falls back in place really easy. Then we're going to flex the left side, pull out the bottom one. Same thing, left side in, flex the right side, just like that. There we go, and we are good. Okay, now let's do the DFP roller. Okay, so now go ahead and grab your paper tray. And we're going to do the DFP roller here. It's right there. What you want to do is flip your tray upside down, just like that. And there's two gray tabs, one on the left side there, one on the right side there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can hardly see. It's right there. Just want to press both of those in, and then the roller assembly will go ahead and pop out. Let's see if I can do this on camera. I can do it with my fingers. Just press one in and kind of lift the plate at the same time. There we go. It should come right out. There we go. So we like to take this, flip it upside down, take the spring out, pop this up. Flex the left side. There we go. Then we get our DFP roller. And we go ahead and slide it in the same way. Just make sure that they fit only one way. Snap the other side in. Grab your plate. Fit those in the groove. Bring it down. Get your spring. Make sure you fit it in there, right where the holes are. Should look just like that. Then go ahead and get your plate. And these two markings here, you're going to want to slide those in. And the two sides here should snap in. Kind of flex it again. Just like that. That's how it should look. Okay, now we're ready. Put the tray in the machine. Okay, so before we put the tray in, I have to put the tray assembly in. There's a little metal shaft there that you want to fit into the right side of this plastic area here. Just slide that in on the right first, remove the roller. Once it engages, slide it into its groove on the left hand side, and pop it up just like that. Then, put some paper in your tray, grab the tray, go ahead and slide it in. And there you have it, guys. Pretty easy. That's how you do rollers on a Kyocera 42, 4300 and various other models. There's some newer models that use the same tray rollers, same installation procedure. Take it easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe.